Slugger Select PWR. So I just got this bat today. I just came back from school, so I hope this bat will work. So this is apparently a 32-inch drop 10. It feels pretty light, but just gonna get a knife. Okay, so oh wow. Okay, so it's a little wrapped up. Oh wow. So this bat feels super big. And a little top heavy too, but this is good. But this bat was around $250. Drop 10. And yeah, I feel like this is a really good deal because they made another version of this bat. It's like green, and that was this year's bat, but this was last year's 2023 version. But I've used this bat before, and it was $29. So this really makes a big difference. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take a few swings with it later. So yeah. So today at practice, I hit the ball so hard that I broke my bat straight in half.
He almost hit a home run.
Yeah, it's just cracked in half like that.
And when he hit the ball, it went flying over there.
It's in there.
Nice. Show us.
There's like something in there. It's insane though, right?
Yeah.
So after this broke, I ended up getting 2 more bats after this broke because this one is busted and the other one is okay. So we got 2 more bats. I made a review on one. I'm gonna do another one on the other one. And I just want to say that I really love this bat. I really recommend it for those people, even though it broke. But it's still a really good bat, and it's rated. It's the second best bat for Little League. But it is pretty heavy. So if you're a strong dude, then you can really use this and hit nukes. So yeah.